Breaking news coming in, fresh fight between BJP and Shiv Sena over the metro car shed project. The BJP has slammed reports of Aghadi government planning to set up Mumbai metro car shed at Bandra Kurla complex, the site marked for Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train. Former Chief Minister Fadnavis has called any such move as ridiculous and childish. He says it will increase the project cost multiple times. Sanjay Raut hits back at Fadnavis, saying that the government does not need any advisors.
अगर मेट्रो कार शेड हम ज़मीन के नीचे बनाने की बात करेंगे तो 500 करोड़ में बनने वाला मेट्रो कार शेड 5000 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा पैसा उसको लगेगा। और इतना ही नहीं, उसकी एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट जो है वो 5 गुना ज़्यादा होगी। तो पूरी मेट्रो जो है वो नॉन फिजिबल हो जाएगी, वो नॉन स्टार्टर हो जाएगी। मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कौन इस प्रकार से बातें इस सरकार को बता रहा है। शायद कोई ना कोई इस सरकार को ऐसी सलाह दे रहा है कि ये सरकार और महाराष्ट्र दोनों को डुबोने का प्रयास हो रहा है।
Kamlesh is now joining us on this breaking story. Kamlesh, outside of this politicking, what is the fact of the matter? Is the Mumbai metro car shed at Bandra Kurla complex being created at the site which has been marked for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train? Because if that's true, then when you have Fadnavis saying that the cost will go up, then the government ought to listen.
Well, Chari, there are two angles to it. First, it's about the location where the Metro 3 car shed has to be. We all know that there was a big fight over the issue when Shiv Sena was in power with the BJP, and when the Fadnavis government had decided to set up the RA car shed in RA jungles, and then after assuming power, right on the next day, Uddhav Thackeray had stopped the decision and stopped the work at RA, and now they shifted it to Kanjur Marg. Just a day before yesterday, the Bombay High Court cancelled the decision of shifting that project to Kanjur Marg, calling it salt pan land, and it's under the central government. Now, taking it, the second aspect to the story is the political angle, the political war of word between Shiv Sena and BJP. Now, the Shiv Sena is mulling the idea of shifting the project. Now, since the High Court has ordered that it cannot be made at the Kanjur Marg site, it's a salt pan land under the central government, and it has declared the transfer of land as illegal. So now it has to be shifted elsewhere. Shiv Sena, now just to maybe to score a political point over the BJP, has shifted is mulling over the idea of taking the project, the car shed, to BKC. Now the land that the state government is considering is earmarked for the bullet train, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project, and if that happens, that will be a setback to the Prime Minister's dream project of Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train, and that is why BJP leaders are fuming and are calling the decision to shift the car shed as childish and illogical. They said it will not just increase the cost, but it is also non-starter and non-feasible. So the war of words between the BJP and Shiv Sena over this issue seems to be only escalating with every small development.
All right, leave it at that. Kamlesh, thanks for joining us with the very latest details on the story. We'll continue getting some more political reactions coming in from the Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party on this.